That stock is up sharply because Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway revealing that it owns roughly 11% of the company. Of course, it's a PC maker, printers. Total value of that stake, about $4.2 billion. This has been a good performer. We have Enrique on with us. Many have had him on many times, including very recently. They announced that deal. What was that? Maybe it was just last week or 2 weeks ago.
He bought Poly.
Yeah, bought Poly, the old, what was Poly's name before?
Oh, my God, it was just a peripheral company.
Yeah, it was the headset thing. I'll come up.
Anyway, okay, so look, this is what I'm talking about. The stock yields 3.
Yeah.
It sells at 8 times earnings. It doesn't miss the quarter. It's bought back an endless amount of stock. Raises the dividend. This is right in Warren Buffett's wheelhouse. Plantronics.
I do find myself Plantronics. Thank you. HP buying Poly, which is the old Plantronics recently, to help them with the work from home, with all. Well,
and that's why Corey Barry, the CEO of Best Buy, who'll be on tonight, is saying, "Look, this ideal work at home." Ideal working up. Not at all surprised that Buffett would buy it because its products are so good.
Right. But it's not as though the enterprise is not unimportant for HP. It is still.
It's huge.
Yeah.
But enterprise is strong. But what she's saying is, look at the models. I mean, I have to upgrade because the new models are so great. But everybody's missing a point about this new model. It really helps you to have. You need a big upgrade for everything. And that's why I think it was so smart to buy the Poly, the Plantronics. David, it sells at 8 times. That's a bear market multiple?
It is. 8 years worth of earnings is
he came
not
on.
Much.
Enrique Lore, I met him for breakfast when he first took over from Dion Weisler, and I said, he was like incredibly nice. I said, you got to be more forceful. He said, that's my style. I like to be a really kind person and deliver the numbers. I said, geez, that's.
Well, they've got to be happy with that, and obviously the performance of the stock price over the last couple of years.
Look at it.
Also speaks very well. Now, again, a big beneficiary of the trend that we spent a lot of time discussing at the outset of the show, which is people are going to be working from home maybe forever now.
When it was at 15, he was buying back stock, it was just doing okay. And then one day he called me and he goes, look, what do you have at home? This is our time. Get a subscription printer, get the really good PC, and don't forget, get the PC with a touch screen.
Yep.
I got it. I love it. I love it.
Meanwhile, Berkshire itself has actually been a good stock to own this year.
Oh, my.
Let's call it 15%.
How about great?
The meeting's coming up a few weeks away, I think, right?
Oh, yeah, I'm going to go out there with Andrew. Just kidding.
No, you're not. The meeting's coming up. It's when these positions get revealed now, it's never completely clear to me if it's Warren or if it's somebody else.
Yes, that's true, and you've explained that. Now, David, okay, so explain to people at home, there's a man who is maybe the smartest of our time, and he buys 11% of a company. And then there's another man, the smartest of another year, maybe still good, buys 11% of a company. And we make a big to-do about the first man, Elon Musk, does it. And he does it, and the Fed, he said, that's screw you, I do whatever I want. Second guy, it's like, yeah, hallelujah. I'm asking you, how can one person, Warren Buffett or his team, come up to 11, sneakily buying it when we're selling it, and then another guy does it, and suddenly we want to say, no, contempt of SEC.